Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Civic air filter. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. You'll only need a Phillips head screwdriver and your new air filter for this easy job. This entire process is straightforward and typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes, even for beginners. Let's get started by locating the air filter housing under the hood. Now, open your hood and look for the large, black air filter box, usually situated on the passenger side of the engine bay. You'll see two metal clips on the front of the box. Simply unclip these to release the cover. Next, find the hose clamp connecting the air intake tube to the air box. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to loosen this clamp, but you don't need to remove it completely. With the clips undone and the clamp loosened, gently lift the airbox cover. You'll now see the old, often very dirty, air filter inside. Carefully pull out the old filter, noting its orientation. Take your new, clean air filter and place it into the housing, making sure it sits snugly and correctly. A proper fit is crucial for optimal engine performance and filtration. Finally, lower the airbox cover back into place, ensuring all tabs align correctly. Re-engage the two metal clips to secure the cover firmly. Then, use your Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the hose clamp you loosened earlier, making sure it's snug but not over-tightened. Regularly changing your air filter, perhaps every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, significantly improves fuel efficiency and engine longevity. Also, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.